Welcome back, YouTube. So this is the end of day 4 of the build of our duck pond. We have chopped down the tops of some of these poles. See, today we inserted and chopped and cleaned up these poles here. As you guys can see, we got our pond liner in and we got it where we want it. Got some wood in there so it won't blow away. Still have the tall poles up that we plan on using for the turkey pen and stuff. We got to move this A-frame house back a little bit because we're not sure if it's gonna be in the way of the rest of the poles. We're gonna dig a couple poles back here still to make sure that we have a good squared off area for the ducks. We are making progress, and we look forward to having you guys, you know, continue with us and stuff. Hello to the new subscribers. Hello to all the old ones. Sorry again about the wind, guys. Hopefully, you know, you guys stick with this. We'll get this project done soon. And comments, suggestions, like, all that good jazz, you know what to do. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.